Hello, Shannon here from Nature's Corner, and I hope you're out there taking your pictures for the City Nature Challenge. It starts today through the 27th, and a lot of people ask me though, how do you get the best pictures, the most identifiable pictures? And the best pictures are the most pictures. For instance, we have a tree here, and sometimes people will see this and think it could be a sweet gum, and some people see this and think, are you sure it's not a maple? Well, to be sure, when you're taking pictures of, say, a tree, you want a picture of the whole tree. Take a picture of the leaf. So let me show you, here is the leaf. And if you can find a seed, that's even more helpful. So that's the leaf, here's the seed. So that tells me right there, that sweet gum ball tells me it's a sweet gum tree. Now, a lot of people, like I said, confuse it with the maple. You can compare it to the maple, and you can see where the confusion is. But if you add the seed, it's pretty much for certain. So take as many pictures of a species as you can, especially a plant. A whole picture, a picture of the leaf, a picture of the seed, even a picture of the bark is helpful. And that'll make the most identifiable photos.
So for another example of what Shannon was talking about, we have two different species of tree frogs here that would be pretty easy to misidentify depending on what angle you took a picture of them from. So here we have the squirrel tree frog, and this is the green tree frog. If you look at both of these from a bird's eye view of them sitting on the ground, pretty much all you'll see is just green skin. Depending on the day, the squirrel tree frog is actually very good at changing colors depending on his mood and how stressed he is. I've actually seen squirrel tree frogs that look even closer to the coloration of the green tree frog here. So the distinguishing trait between these two species is this very distinct white stripe on the green tree frog. Both have green upper parts and sort of white creamy underparts, but with the green tree frog you have that very distinct white stripe running down the side. So if you were to take a picture of one of these two tree frogs from a bird's eye view, it'd be much less likely that you would get a research grade observation. Even though these two species of tree frogs may look identical, ecologically they may be very distinct in terms of the habitats they occupy and the insects and prey items that they eat. And so scientists want to know the exact species. So it's very important that if you are able to get as many pictures as possible. So keep taking pictures, everyone, and we'll see you next time.